Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to refer and earn in Google Pay. First, open the Google Pay app and navigate to the Invite Friends, Get Rewards section. You'll find your unique referral code there. Share this code with friends who are new to Google Pay. When they sign up using your code and complete their first qualifying transaction, you both receive a bonus. It's a straightforward way to get some extra cash just by spreading the word about the app. Sharing your referral code is simple. After finding your code in the app, tap the Invite Friends, Get Rewards option to easily copy and share it through various platforms. Your friend then needs to use this specific link or code when they first set up their Google Pay account. Crucially, they must complete their very first eligible payment within 28 days of signing up for both of you to receive the reward. Once your referred friend completes their first qualifying payment, your referral bonus is typically credited directly to your linked bank account. The bonus amount can vary, but often you and your friend might each receive around 21 rupees or even up to 201 rupees for new referrals. You can earn up to 100 referral rewards with a maximum of 9,000 rupees in a financial year. Remember, rewards can take up to 7 business days to appear. To maximize your earnings, concentrate on inviting friends who are genuinely new to Google Pay, as this is usually a key eligibility requirement. Also, always review the current terms and conditions within the app, as referral amounts and rules can change. You can earn up to 100 referral rewards and a total of 9,000 rupees in a financial year. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keep sharing and earning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.